5G, 5G, 5G. What is it all about and how good is the new Huawei Mate 20X 5G? Well, in today's video I will be sharing Huawei's idea of the future of 5G and sharing my results of 5G speeds around London using the Huawei Mate 20X 5G. First off, let's take a look at Huawei's first 5G handset to hit the market. Yes, I have tried the Mate X, which is the gorgeous foldable smartphone from Huawei, but in this video I will only be focusing on the Mate 20X 5G as I feel it's a device most consumers will purchase when you consider the hefty price differences between the two. It is a huge device and it's pretty heavy. Then again, it needs to be to house the Huawei Balong 5000, which is the world's first 7nm multi-mode 5G chipset. It provides industry-leading 5G speeds and supports both NSA and SA architecture to aid in a smooth transition of the ever-evolving 5G network. There is so much new technology that has gone into the Mate 20X 5G that the battery has had to be reduced from 5000 to 4200 mAh, and both the headphone jack and top speaker have had to be removed too. Who says that you don't need to compromise to be part of the future? So I attended a Huawei photo walk around London and thought it would be an ideal opportunity to test the 5G speeds using a SIM card from EE in the Mate 20X 5G, and I would say that the results made for interesting reading. Some were what I expected and others not so much. I recorded download speeds of between 98.4 all the way up to nearly 400 megabits per second during the photo walk. So what does this mean? Well, simply put, the Huawei Mate 20X 5G is more than capable of providing higher speeds than the ones I experienced. However, the networks in the UK are still in their 5G infancy and as such need time to expand the 5G availability for consumers, as currently it's only available in certain areas and even then it's not wide reaching. After all, I managed to hit download speeds of 170 megabits per second using 4G on the Mate 20X 5G by simply sitting in my living room. So I know most people are thinking, well, 5G is good for downloading movies and music, but there is so much more to this than meets the eye, and having first-hand experienced what Huawei has planned for 5G, I must admit that's what I find more exciting. Imagine a world of never having to download a game to your phone again, but instead simply using cloud gaming whilst on the go. Yep, that's right. If you're into games like Assassin's Creed, Fortnite or any other heavy, demanding and intensive games, then 5G is for you. Think about playing the full versions of these games, not the mobile versions on your smartphone. By utilizing the power of servers and hardware designed to run the full-fat version of these titles and then streaming the games from those to your smartphone using 5G means real gaming for hardcore gamers. Not to mention smooth online multiplayer action where you could be playing against someone using a PC whilst you are on your Mate 20X 5G. This also applies to cloud VR gaming and experiences, where a smartphone really doesn't have the power of full VR, but you could experience new worlds and VR games over 5G by using a VR headset and equipment that would move in real time to your actions without having to invest in millions of pounds of equipment that is needed to give you a smooth and seamless out-of-body experience. What about from a professional point of view? Well, Cloud PC will cover that. If you need large files from the office or you need to network at the same time with other members of your team or clients, then you could do it now over 5G without having to download huge gigabytes of files. Presentations, production work, etc. will all be at hand anytime you need it. Just think if you could produce and render plans, blueprints, videos, documents on the fly and in real time, and as you do, others can add to it with their ideas and make any alterations if needed. 360-degree live streaming would also be possible. Imagine Google Maps but instead in real time, and the ability of even being able to see people walking around, but again in 360 degrees simply from your smartphone. This would bring massive improvement to security, navigation, and let's be honest, it would be a lot of fun. Overall, the Mate 20X 5G is a great first 5G handset from Huawei and I really enjoyed testing it out. But what excites me more is what 5G will bring to the smartphone and the direction Huawei is heading in. From what I have seen, I can clearly see why Huawei is the leader in 5G, and I can't wait to see what else they bring to the speed table. If you enjoyed the video, smash that subscribe button and bell notification icon, give me a thumbs up and share this video on any Huawei forums and groups. Until next time, this is Zilla saying take care and peace.